what's going on? It's your boy Lukeman. It's another day, another dollar. It's been a minute, and of course, it's because I've been busy writing a very cool book that is called Content Secret, Unlimited Content Secrets, which I'm gonna be giving to you for free. But for right now, I want to show you the tricks that I use to come up with my content calendar, such that I'm never ever out of what to talk about on my YouTube channel, on my blog, on my Instagram, on all the medium that I use. I'm never run out of content. How do I do this? I know a lot of you want to talk about things that you're passionate about on YouTube or even on Facebook, or even write about them on your blog, but you do not know what topic to use. Well, what if I tell you that there is a very cool way to actually get this done? Because the best thing to write about or talk about is what people are already searching for, right? And I'm going to show that to you. And in the book that I mentioned to you a while ago that I'm writing, I actually show you in that book how you can monetize your content without having to wait on YouTube. If you want to wait on YouTube before you can start making money from your content, you're going to wait a long time. I think in editing, I'm going to drag this in long time. You're going to have to wait for a very long time before you can actually get to that point. Because why? You need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers before YouTube can start paying you. But what if I tell you that there is actually a very, very cool way by which you can monetize your very, very first content? As a matter of fact, there was a video I did, and I did a case study whereby I just did a video and I built just 61 people from that list, and I made over $900 from that list within just 1 month. Okay, so but in this video, without digressing, what I want to show you is just how you can come up with your content calendar, because that is the first thing. I don't want you to be like, okay, I want to talk about something now. You just jump on the camera and you start talking about it. No, it's not going to flow as well as you want it to flow. Therefore, not to be overwhelmed, you've got to have a calendar where you have all your content topics, so that way as soon as you're ready, you have that calendar ready. All you've got to do is just to pick whatever content you want to talk about and start talking about it. So if you will just follow me and let me show you my screen, and I will show you how I start my research to come up with my content calendar. Alright, as you can see, guys, I'm on my Google, and of course, listen, you're looking for something, or anyone else looking for something, where's the first place they turn? Of course, they turn to Google. That just makes perfect sense, but there is a trick to doing it. Say, for instance, I want to talk about affiliate marketing, right? So what I'm going to have to do on Google is to just put my cursor right in the search bar, and I'll push my space. All right, I will then type on dash, another space. Let's say I would say affiliate marketing. Okay, so that's affiliate marketing, right? And as you can see, Google will spill out to you what people are looking for. People are looking for affiliate marketing Amazon, affiliate marketing meaning, affiliate marketing website. If you are a content creator, these are already enough topic for you to actually start with, right? But here's what happened. It gets actually cooler. What I want to do right now is to okay, I'm going to put my cursor right where I put the space before, and I will type in A. And as you can see, it gives you Amazon affiliate marketing, Amazon affiliate marketing program, Amazon affiliate marketing login. So these are things that people are already searching for. You can also do B, all right? And you can combine letters, combine like consonant with vowels to make sense. Say best affiliate marketing program, best affiliate marketing course. Let's say, for instance, your own is about keto diet. I'm just gonna type in keto diet, and do not forget, you already have that space right there. Put your cursor over here and type in A. See app for keto diet, a free keto diet plan, about keto diet pills, a list of keto diet food. I mean, like, really, guys. Same thing. You put B, benefit of keto diet, best keto diet, basic, and of course I have another plugin that I use that is called Keyword Everywhere, that actually tells me how much of this is being searched for each and every month. Another one that I do is actually I take the same thing, I go onto YouTube, right? My YouTube thing is over here. All right, I hope you guys are following this, because this is pretty easy, and that's one of the ways, of course, you can come up with content that you will never ever be able to exhaust. Okay, all right. I'm gonna type in the same thing. Let's say we say keto diets, right? But the first thing you have to do again is your space, your dash, and of course type in your keyword. This time around we say keto diets. All right, so Google's already showing you what people are searching for: keto diet before, after, keto diet Malayan, keto diet recipes, and all of that. And I'm gonna put my cursor right. I'll type in A. alcohol on keto diet, you know, asthma, sleep, keto diet, whatever that is, but people are apparently searching for it. Okay, I'm gonna say B. See, benefits keto, best keto diet plan, benefit of keto diet, Bangladeshi keto diet. Go ahead and type in, sorry, I'm gonna type in C. All right, type in D, type in E. Guy, you keep doing this, and when you reach Z, you can actually start combining letters in a way that it makes sense. You know, like you have your vowels, your consonants, so like your A and B and A and D, A and F. So keep doing that. You will see that you will have a whole lot of keywords that you will now have to put on your Excel sheet. To just, you can write a date or the time whenever you want, that you put on your Excel sheet. That will make it extremely easy for you. You just look at your Excel sheet. I guarantee you're going to have about 3,000, 5,000 keywords that you're never ever going to be able to exhaust in probably your lifetime. And once you do this, another thing that I do actually, just to kind of be a little more anal, is I go into my Google AdWords, right? I go into my Google AdWords. Let's see, AdWords. And I will show you guys how that is done as well. And to get Google AdWords account is pretty free. And there is a tool I forgot to show you with you guys, which I will show you in a minute. So you sign into your Google AdWords. We're going to use this right here. So when you're in here, waiting for it to just come up. As soon as it does that, we will. Okay, so you go to the range icon right here where it says tool, and click on your keyword planner. Google will literally show you. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to type in keto diet. This time around, you don't need no space or A or whatever. Just type in the keyword that you're looking for. And look at this over here, guys. People are searching for keto diets, 1 million to 10 million every month. To even pay for it is not that much money. So people are searching for keto, ketosis, keto diet menu, keto diet foods. See how many people are searching for this. 100,000 to 1 million people. 100,000 to 1 million people. 10,000. I mean, a lot of, and all of this you can literally just copy all of these. As a matter of fact, inside Google, you can just download them. You can easily just download them, and over here, you see where it says download keyword ideas, download them and just put them on your Excel sheets. As a matter of fact, when you download from here, it comes on a CVS sheet, and you can just start pulling them from there and talk about them, write about them, and even make ebook on them when it comes to wanting to monetize them. So now let's go back to YouTube. There was something I forgot to show you guys, okay? And do not forget that I have a book that I just finished writing, but it's still in public, it's still being published. It's called Unlimited Content Secrets. It's the #1 book for your content creation, publication, and of course monetization. I want to give it to you guys for free. If you want a free copy of that book, just click on the link below this video. It's going to take you to a page. That page will admit you into my private Facebook group where we talk about everything about content, traffic, you know, conversion, of course, funnel, each and every day. So once you become part of that, you are going to be on the waiting list for this book. As soon as the book drops, I'm going to send you a free copy. Okay, so we'll go back to YouTube. I want to show you guys one very cool tool that I also use that helped me with my content. So we're back on YouTube. Remember, we were searching for keto diets. All right, so when you type in keto diet, I want you to pay attention to something. Over here, you will see all these, you see all these things right here, all these stats that I have right here. It makes more sense when I click on a particular video. But before I do that, look at all these people. They have, you know, keto, how to start keto diet, 233,000, 1.96 million views. And that was 6 months ago, right? You have another one for 577 views. You have another one for 80,000 views. All of these people have videos on here that you can actually see what they're doing and, you know, come up with your own video, right? And now, these are the most popular videos. But what I want to do actually, with this video, I want to show you something about this tool over here called vidIQ, which I use for my, you know, data, for my data gathering all the time when I'm trying to come up with a new video. All right, so I'm going to click on that. Let's get rid of the ad. All right, so I'm gonna we don't want to watch that video, we just want to show you something. vidIQ will literally just show you how good this video is. So look at all this. So this video is ranking #1 for keto, is ranking #1 for keto diet, ranking #1 for ketogenic diet. These are the keywords that are inside this video that you can literally just copy and dump on your own, and you don't get penalized for this because these are just tags, right? You can literally just copy these tags and dump them in your own video, and you can pull up about 3, 4, 5 more videos and copy the tag, put on your video, so that way you have a chance of ranking on Google. If you want to try out vidIQ, click on the link below. There is a link below this video that takes you to the vidIQ that shows you how you can use it, because that tool is pretty cool, especially if you're doing anything on YouTube. It gives you things like, not just, it gives you like your SEO score, if you stand a chance of being ranked well on YouTube, and what you need to do that. It gives you all this list of checklists in terms of your title, your tag, your description, your cards, your end screens, how you should share it on Facebook, on Twitter, and stuff like that. It shows you like your channel ranking and stuff like this, and which country you're ranking in as well. So vidIQ is extremely awesome. So if you want free, I think they have a free version of it, but I use the paid version, which of course is what I suggest that you use as well. So if you want that, go ahead and click on the link below. It's going to take you to the vidIQ. Get it and make sure you use it, okay? And do not forget also to subscribe to get on the list, for the waiting list for my new book, Unlimited Content Secret, the #1 resource book rather, for content publication, content creation, and content monetization. And if you have any question, or if you have another cool idea that you use to come up with your own content, I detail more, ways to come up with your content calendar in my book. But this video is just to kind of salivate your appetite, to ensure that you have something to work with pending the time that my book comes out. So if you have questions, do not forget to just send me a message below this video, and I will see you in another video.